Did you know that the heart sends more information to the brain than the brain sends to the heart? Well, it's true, according to the HeartMath Institute. Now that's an interesting twist to the usual narrative, isn't it? It's a common belief that the brain, seated high in its cranial throne, rules supreme over the rest of the body, the heart included. The brain is viewed as the mastermind, the orchestrator of our thoughts, behaviors, and actions. It's the keeper of our memories, the generator of our dreams, and the constructor of our reality. But hold on a second. It's time to give credit where credit is due. The heart, the tireless pump, the symbol of love and courage, is not just a silent servant to the brain. Instead, it's an influential force in our lives, often driving our actions, thoughts, and feelings in ways we may not even realize. The heart, in fact, has its own little brain, a complex network of neurons, neurotransmitters, proteins, and support cells. This little brain can learn, remember, feel, and sense independent of the cranial brain. It communicates with the brain and the rest of the body through the nervous system, hormonal system, and other pathways. When the heart is at peace, it sends signals of harmony to the brain, which in turn calms the mind, promotes positive emotions, and enhances mental clarity. On the other hand, when the heart is in turmoil, it sends signals of discord to the brain, leading to stress, confusion, and negative emotions. The heart's rhythm, which reflects our emotional state, also influences our perception and cognitive functions. A smooth, balanced heart rhythm, associated with positive emotions, facilitates cognitive function, improves problem-solving ability, and boosts creativity. Conversely, an erratic heart rhythm, associated with negative emotions, impairs cognitive function and reduces mental efficiency. Now, isn't it fascinating to know how much sway the heart holds over the brain? And yet, how often do we consciously pay attention to our heart's influence? It's high time we started tuning into our heart's signals, listening to its subtle rhythms, and acknowledging its profound influence. By doing so, we can harness the heart's wisdom to enhance our emotional well-being, improve our cognitive performance, and enrich our lives. So remember, while the brain is indeed a powerhouse, the heart is no less. It's an underappreciated genius, a silent influencer, a guiding force. Give it the attention it deserves and watch how it can transform your life. The heart's influence is not just a matter of metaphors and romantic notions. It's a scientific fact, a biological reality, a psychological truth. It's a part of who we are, and it's about time we recognized its significant role in our lives. Because in the end, it's not just about thinking with our brains, but also feeling with our hearts.